To show you how to use the Pathways viewer for these bunch of pathways problems. The challenge with this viewer is there's both a large overview we want to give you, sort of how the big pieces fit together, but then we also want to be able to zoom in on some of the details. And it's a bit challenging to show that, so I want to make it clear what's going on and how to interpret what's going on. So this is the big picture. Each of these things is a particular molecule, and the arrow between them is the enzymes. Rather than showing their structures and the enzyme names, we wanted to give you a general overview of the pathway. These things with the big dots on them are molecules which appear in more than one place, just so that they're to save confusing drawing also the links. Serine, for example, is used here, but it's also made there, for example. And likewise, alpha-ketoglutarate is made here, and then it's used in other various places in the pathway. If you want to be able to zoom in on see the details, so for example, if you wanted to know what was going on in this step here over here with anthranilate, what you do is you click, and what you'll see if you click on there is there's a window that appears with a zoom in view. The thing is, to see the whole window over there, you really need to make your screen, the window for the Spock, as big as you possibly can, and so that you can see that whole circle off to the side. And then what this does is it zooms in, and what you can see is that the mouse is over anthranilate, which is that molecule in the very center of the circle view. And anthranilate synthase is the enzyme coming in. Anthranilate is now in the center. And then the next thing, anthranilate phosphoribosyl transferase, is the next enzyme. And so what that little window does is gives you a zoom in on the structure of the molecule and the enzymes nearby. And so your cursor in the large scale figure gives you an orientation of where you are, and then you can zoom in. So if you want to know what was going on, for example, all the way over here with cysteine, you can see here cysteine at the end, and the last enzyme is O-acetylserine thiolase, and sulfur comes in, etc. There's a variety of pieces to this, and this is how you can use this to interpret this diagram and answer the questions for the Spock. Thank you.